Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the digital world with ease. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that can slow down your Gmail experience: clearing its cache on your PC. This process is straightforward and will not only free up some space, but also ensure that Gmail runs more efficiently. First things first, open Gmail in your browser. Once it's loaded, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see three dots. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu filled with useful options. From this menu, select Delete Browsing Data. This action will take you to a new tab where you can manage what data gets cleared from your browser's storage. Now let's focus on what we need to delete. Check the box next to Cached Images and Files. This is crucial because it specifically targets temporary files stored by websites like Gmail. After selecting that option, click on Delete Data at the bottom of the page. Confirm any prompts if asked. This step ensures all cached content for Gmail and other sites is removed from your computer. By following these simple steps, you've successfully cleared Gmail's cache on your PC. But why does this matter? Well, clearing cache helps resolve issues like slow loading times or outdated information being displayed in Gmail. It also removes any locally stored emails if you have offline access enabled. If you want to take it a step further and disable offline access altogether, which also clears cached emails, head into Gmail settings by clicking on the gear icon within Gmail itself. Then navigate through See All Settings and find the Offline tab. Uncheck any boxes related to offline mail and save changes. That's it. Your PC should now be running smoother when using Gmail online, or offline modes are disabled for good measure. Remembering these steps will keep your email client performing optimally over time, without unnecessary clutter slowing things down behind scenes. Happy emailing!